In the area of cerebrovascular disease, Professor Neil Sims from Flinders University in South Australia received an award. Neil, if you could. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you, and thanks particularly to the Brain Foundation for the support and to the generous donors who have made that support possible. This project is concerned with recovery from stroke, and when an individual has a stroke, there is commonly some recovery, albeit often quite limited, that occurs during the first weeks and months after the stroke. There is now good evidence that a major contributor to that recovery is because some of the nerve cells in the area around the damage in the brain start to develop new connections and take over some of the functions of the nerve cells that were lost during the stroke. There is considerable interest at the moment in looking at drugs and other interventions that can promote this reconnection process, this development of new or the taking over by neurons of some of the functions that have been lost. And our project is in that area. I think I'll struggle to convince you that I'm one of the younger recipients of the award here. But the funding is very important because it is for some ideas that are in an early stage of development and has particular benefits in that it will bring together the expertise of two groups in Adelaide that are working on this issue of recovery after stroke. So my group has a particular interest in the support cells that are in the brain that are helping with the function of those nerve cells. And my collaborator and his group, Professor Simon Kobler, has recently done some studies that showed that a type of cell known as stem cells, and some other people have mentioned those, in this case stem cells derived from the dental pulp of adult teeth, and therefore provides a source that might be useful for treatment in the future. When these are used in an experimental stroke, can promote functional recovery in the experimental stroke situation. So we believe that a major part of this recovery is because of changes in, or because of effects that those stem cells are having on the support cells in the brain, and we'll test that particular idea directly as part of this project. The studies will provide additional insights, will clearly provide additional insights into the way that the stem cells, the dental pulp stem cells, are having their effects, and we believe that there is good prospects for them to identify new targets that could be used, or for which drugs could be developed to improve quality of life of stroke patients in the future. So I thank the Brain Foundation once again for their support. Thank you.